morning, welcome here in Geneva as well. You're joining me on a Ferrari. There is a Portofino tour, European tour in here in Geneva. There are Italian Portofinos come straight to the Italy. And I'm joined also by Francesco, obviously Italian name as well. My pilot here, my co-driver and my instructor. So welcome here directly from Italy. Hello.
Hello, thank you very much.
We do have the Portofino. I'm going to make you hear the noise of that car because we have a straight line as well. So be ready. Wow, Ferrari put like the brand new Portofino a level higher, a better level. As you can see through this car, better design. They modified it, all the core from the California T. Look at that, it's a symphony. The engine is a 3.9 liter V8 bi-turbo, 760 Newton meters of torque and 600 horsepower. As you can see, the car is gripping us to the seats. And 3.5 from 0 to 100, it's absolutely spectacular. We're just going to a tunnel. 1 second for that. There we go. Sorry for the throttle, I was on the first gear. But yeah, the noise was absolutely fantastic. Everything has been changed from the California T to the Portofino. 600 horsepower, California T 560, and the car is lighter of 80 kilos. So that's spectacular. All the chassis has been modified as well. And what can you also add for this Portofino as an expert, as a Ferrari expert from the factory directly?
That's right.
What can you tell us about more of this car?
So about this car, it's an all-day car. You can use it all day in the city, on the country roads, on the highway, but you can use it also on a track. So you have the possibility to drive it really in the comfort mode. But when you really switch on to sport, like
we are currently on the sport mode,
like you hear it now, then you have a monster, and it's really nice to drive that. But it's not a monster that isn't drivable. This car is drivable for everybody,
and even every situation.
And every situation. Even women says this.
As we can hear, as we can feel, sorry, we do have an incredible system braking with carbon ceramic brakes.
Exactly. They're working all the time, so you get smooth feeling on the pedal, and this car goes up to 300, more than 320.
Yeah,
so you need
the top speed is 320 kilometers per hour. So imagine just the braking, how fast it has to be. You just have to feel the brakes, but of course the carbon ceramic brakes, or if they're on the track, etc., they have to be warmed up.
Exactly.
For that they work correctly as well. Exactly. We do have another like kind of half tunnel, but we do have a bike. Wow. And the speed changing. So smooth, like when you push the pedal to change the gear, to put the third or the fourth gear, it's instinct. It's right after. Like, look at that. Wow. And to retrograde as well, to put down the shifts. Third gear, okay, we are on this area of 60 kilometers per hour, but the noise. When the valves are closed and open, there is also a huge difference. And as you told me before,
yeah,
for that we hear the exhaust. If you'd like to make the flames, the crackles, all these things, the exhaust has to be warmed up as well, of course.
Exactly, yeah. We have a bypass exhaust, so that means you can drive really smooth in the city. But when you want,
Like this?
yes, you hear, we can open it in sport mode, and then, as I told you, it's not rumor, it's musica.
It's symphony.
Symphony, yeah.
Italian symphony.
That's right.
Wow.
It makes so much fun to drive.
You make so much fun to drive. And just by the way, of course it's a convertible, but it's a GT on the same time. And the roof, you can open it and close it. It's, you told me, like around 14 seconds?
14 seconds.
Up to 45 kilometers per hour.
40 seconds. 40 kilometers
40
per
kilometers
hour.
per hour, 14
That's right.
seconds. And that was also an improvement to the Portofino, because in California T, you couldn't move.
You couldn't move, yeah.
You couldn't move, you have to stay on your place.
Yeah, and now you can open it also in the city if you want.
In the city, wherever you want, up to 40 kilometers per hour.
Exactly, yeah.
Wow. Wow.
I see you have fun in that car.
We are having so much fun, and it's so, the weather is just so perfect for a convertible. The outside of the car is gray, dark gray, and the inside we do have like kind of Bordeaux.
Yeah, Bordeaux red and the black later in the front.
Full black, the old dashboard.
Yeah.
And we do have the horse in gray as well. Wow. And I've also seen that the boot has 392 liters.
Yeah.
So you can put as well the luggage for the journey, like not long journeys obviously, but because it's a Ferrari, but short journeys as well. So you can fit also some cool things inside of even your shopping bags for the ladies, as we were talking before. Other tunnel. Wow. What else to ask? What else to ask? Incredible. But the brakes are really doing it.
Yeah,
wow.
You feel it.
You feel it so much. And also, by the way, the car are starting to be delivered in few months, because the car has been launched as well at the Frankfurt International Motor Show at the end of the 2017, so at the end of the last year. Now we do have all these press events, these press testings.
Yeah, it's like in Europe too, what we
A
do
Europe
now.
tour that we do have here in Geneva as well, 2 days. Really an incredible occasion to test this Portofino as well. So I'm going to show it to you later or before. The screen, we do have a new screen of 10.2 inches screen, better screen than on the California T that was that much small obviously, but now we do have 10.2. All the entertainment system has been taken as well from the A12 Superfast.
Yeah, it's improved, and like in the Lusso we have the same entertainment system, better GPS, really easy handling, so like a tablet.
Like a tablet, all digital, all touchable, like a tablet obviously. So where do we go now?
We go straight
We go
ahead.
straight.
Oh, in this car you go straight.
We only. Let's go. Wow. Of course, we don't have to be taken from the radars as well. So yeah, the vlog is already over, so thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much Francesca for being here with me today on this absolutely phenomenal, totally brand new Portofino. And yeah, just the noise puts a smile on your face as well. So what else to ask? Beautiful weather, beautiful city, beautiful country, and beautiful convertible car. So yeah, stay tuned for some other brand new videos, because the summer is coming here. Brand new cars, brand new GTs, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and hope to see you very soon on the channel. Bye and have a very great day. Bye.